Tool number 3 in the Not a Toolbox Tour tool review video series. I think I'm saying that the same as the way I said it last time. So these are push pin pliers. I use these on everything, even stuff they're not designed to be used for, because it's the tool that I always grab, and if they don't quite fit, I kind of force them in and make them fit. But they're excellent for pulling out push pins. And the reason they work so well is you can, I don't know if you, let me see if I can get this in the camera. So, okay, so you've got these two pretty sharp edges here, so it's quite easy to get underneath the little rivet that needs to come out. And when you squeeze them, these are curved. Hopefully that's coming through. So what those curves do is the plastic head will hit that, and as you squeeze closed, it forces that head out. And it basically just pops out, and then you can pull it, and the whole push pin comes out. Great little tool. Let me grab a push pin, see if I can show you how that works. Oh crap, I don't have any. I don't freaking have any, really? Not one? Yeah, I think I used them all. I don't have any push pins. After doing that Mazda, I finished it a week or two ago. I used everything I had, and I threw all the broken ones I had away, so I can't demo this tool, but I'll get the part number. It doesn't have a part number on it, it just says made in the USA on it. I mean, that's literally all it says. I can't remember who makes it or what the part number is, but I'll get that and put it in the description for you guys.